GoHighLevel, Zoho, and the Pipedrive. Three of the biggest names when it comes to managing leads, clients, and sales. But the real question is, which one should you actually use? In this video, I will break it down in a simple way and in natural way, so by the end of this video, you will know which CRM fits for your business best. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and tools for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the special offers. Now let's jump in the video. So first of all, what are these CRM all about? Basically, GoHighLevel is like your all-in-one business control. It's not just a CRM, it's also your marketing, automation, communication hub. So this is perfect for the agencies, freelancers, and the entrepreneurs who want everything under one roof. Next, Zoho CRM is super flexible and it's known for its customization. It's part of the huge Zoho ecosystem, so if you already use like Zoho Mail or Zoho Books, then it fits right in. Next, we have the Pipedrive. On the other hand, it focuses purely on sales pipeline. It's small, clean, and it helps to small teams to stay laser focused on closing deals. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. GoHighLevel has a lot of feature, which means there is a learning curve in the beginning. But once you set it up, it can automate almost everything for you. Pipedrive is the easiest of these three. Now, you just log in and you can see your deals on a pipeline. You can just drag and drop, and that's it basically. And lastly, the Zoho sits in the middle. It's user friendly, but the number of the option can sometimes feel overwhelming if you are new to the CRM. Now let's talk about the automation and the workflow. This is where GoHighLevel really shine. It can send email, text, even voicemails automatically. You can set the trigger to follow-ups, the appointment reminders, and lead nurturing, all from one dashboard. Zoho also has good automation, especially if you connect it with other Zoho apps, but it's more data heavy and less focused on real-time communication. Next, we have the Pipedrive. Its automation is limited, but this is great for the tracking deals and the sending reminders, but not for running the full marketing workflow. Now let's talk about the pricing. GoHighLevel starts at $97 per month, but the serious users go for the $297 per month to unlock the white labeling, the advanced automations, and most of the thing. And next, the Zoho CRM. It starts like cheap, around $14 per month per user, but the more features you need, the faster it adds up. Pipedrive starts at around $15 per user, which making it affordable, but again, it's mainly for the sales tracking, not the full business automation. So which one should you go for? If you want a complete system that handles lead, marketing, communication all in one, then GoHighLevel is the best pick for you. If you already use Zoho's other tool like the Zoho Book, the Zoho other options, then Zoho CRM is the best choice for you. But if your goal is simply to manage deals and track the sales with zero confusion, then Pipedrive is your go-to thing. That's it basically for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.